video we are going to see how to draw the circles using circle command in AutoCAD. You can see the circle command or circle icon in this draw toolbar here. Under this circle you can see so many circle types. You can see center, radius, center, diameter, 2 point, 3 point, tangent, tangent, radius, and tangent, tangent, tangent. I'll show you all the circles here, how to draw them. So first we'll take this center and radius. So here when I click the center and radius circle, so it is asking specify center point for circle. So we need to specify the center point for the circle. I'll just click somewhere in between this. Okay, so now I've got the center point of the circle, and now we have to enter the radius of the circle. So just by entering the radius of the circle, I'll enter 30 mm radius of this circle and just press enter key. So now we have draw the 30 mm radius circle. This is a 30 mm radius circle, and now we'll go for the center diameter. Click on the center diameter circle, and now that is asking specify center point for circle. Now we have to select the center point for that circle. Just click anywhere on this drawing area. So now it is asking specify diameter of circle. So now we have to specify the diameter of the circle just by entering the value. So I'll enter 40 mm diameter. So this is the 40 mm diameter circle we have drawn by the use of center and diameter. This second option, center diameter. And now if you go for 2 point, so this 2 point is a circle where we have to select the 2 points of the circle. So here that is asking specify first end point of circle's diameter. So now we have to specify the first end point of circle's diameter. So I'll select or click here, and then now that is asking specify second point of circle diameter. Now we have to specify that second end point of the circle diameter. So we can click anywhere, or else we can directly enter the value, or else we can have a change at what angle we can draw this circle. You just press the tab. You can see that I'll draw it at 30 degree inclined. So then again press tab, and now the circle can be drawn with 30 degree inclined point here. You can see, and click anywhere on this screen, so you can get the circle by 2 points. So this is the circle by 2 points, and now we'll go another circle by 3 points. So in this circle we have to specify the 3 points of the circle. By specifying 3 points of the circle can be drawn in that 3 points. So here I'm going to specify 3 points here. These 3 circle centers as a 3 points of the circle. I'll specify the first point, and then the second point, and then the third point. And now you can see, so the circle is drawn through these 3 points. I've chosen the points of those small circle center as a 3 points. And now we'll go for the tangent radius. So now in this method of drawing tangent radius, first we have to specify the point or object for the first tangent of the circle. So if you have to specify the first tangent of the circle, I'll specify this point as a first point for the tangent, and now that is asking specify point on object for second tangent of circle. So for the second tangent I'll specify here, and now after that is asking specify radius of the circle. You can specify the radius as 100 mm radius, and now you can see the 2 point tangent. You can see that the circle is drawn to that particular 2 point, and the 2 points are tangent to this circle, drawn circle. And now we will see the tangent, and all the 3 points of this circle are tangent to that particular circle. So now I'll select all the 3 points for that circle. So I'll select this as a 1 point, and this as another point, and here this as another point. You can see the circle is drawn for this point and this point and this point. These all 3 points are tangent to that circle. And this is about the circle command in AutoCAD. You can try practicing more circles by all these circles: center, radius, center, diameter, 2 point, 3 point, tangent, tangent, radius, tangent, tangent, tangent,